stand was Lola baby Pandora Lorota baby. One day you should go and quite join but you know what load down. Those songs are 20 power. Anyways, I know you guys are watching. Where does it?
Spot.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. What is that? That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Let's go. Wagwan. 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 Okay. Wagwan, 35 people in the chat. Wagwan, 35 people in the chat.
How are you?
Yo, look at that.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh,
what's the number?
Yeah, YouTuber in that restriction. Because I'm a man. I'm a gent.
Once we miss vlogs.
I'll vlog tomorrow.
When did your father come? When did your father come? Did our father?
Okay. Chat.
Hello, bride.
What's going on, chat? What's hello, bride?
Yes, I'm the bride.
What's going on, chat? What's going on, chat? What's going on, chat? Give us vlog, please. It's coming soon. Guys, Chili Papo. I think any option I'm gonna
I want to put on some clothes.
I don't want.
Thank you, Ropa Fazo. Koi vanhu vari kuti bride.
Amen. You.
Hello, our daughter-in-law. Courts are just so humble. And put on a shirt, please.
Jana unuzeru. Upisa. Asuka vote mungawaindisha kupisa.
And the couple animals. Hello, our kids. Yes, ndine flu, guys. Ndine flu.
It's what, guys, those.
Thank you.
To those who are telling me to put on a shirt,
hey,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't. Because it's very hot.
Welcome to Cape Town, Courts. Huh?
Courts is Makoti.
Oh.
Okay, chat. Muri pa comment section papo. Pane ka dollar. Pane ka dollar karapana apa. Let me show you. You can guys support us with gifts. Okay,
thank you.
Guys.
Thank you, guys.
Please, guys, support us with gifts.
So why are you all here?
As you can see, guys, pane ka dollar karapa kona apa. Karapa kona pa comment section. Please, guys, you can support us with gifts. Thank you so much, guys. You can support us by sending gifts so that you keep on being live with you all, guys. You feel me? You what are you?
So wear your clothes.
I don't want. I'm sorry, guys. It's what I can't suffocate.
Hi, Tendekai. How are you?
Guys, panika nigini some gifts whatever. Can't send super stickers or send super chats.
Please, Makhoti can return by plane, please. Okay, guys, as in the present, indeed, the plane.
Okay. Mari zachona ndo kuti mukande. As long as makakanda mari zachona baba.
And the kappa is what none kappas won't understand.
Yeah, guys. It's burning like kuri kupisa zvokudaro is burning so bad. Zvoti ndinotofa nekucha. Guys, can you please support us, guys, by sending my gifts?
Hello, hi guys. Can you send my gifts, guys? Panika $sign per corner. Ti gift you. I'm fine, Makhoti. How are you, Namko?
Ti gift you, guys. Okay. Please.
Makhoti, how you? I'm good. How are you? Hi, Angel and Bosisani. How are you? I love you guys. Do it for me.
And I love you guys. Monday Tirai.
Makhoti is in Cape Town. Yes, guys, I'm in Cape Town. We are promising Vira.
We are not praising that big shit in the Gumbulo. That one's big shit.
If praise takes off his shirt, you take it off too, my dear. And if praise takes off his shirt, you take it off too. We are getting a vlog anytime soon. Yes, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. And cut the grass.
And finally, my favorite Makhoti. Guys, Amana, please, Amana.
Hi,
I know you guys. 84 people who are watching here. I know you have something for us.
Hi, Lacey. How are you guys? Finally, my favorite Makhoti. Hi, Gina. Maktogara Mesere. No, we don't stay together.
We visited.
I visited Praise.
Well, what makes you so sure that you visited me? What if I'm the one who visited you? I'm the one who visited you, bruh. What the fuck?
Hey guys, I'm enjoying. Hi Karen, I enjoyed it.
And that's okay. Mama T.
And I can exchange phones, please.
And that's gonna exchange phones. I don't even know why you translate the room. I think Panika translation are one.
That's just shine.
And they are video Makhoti. Tony. Usaba mira you. Mira detail. Panika we I think I'm gonna just continue with that.
And so you don't want to come home anymore? No, guys, I'm coming home.
Sorry, user, I have to block you. I remember blogger. Hide this from channel. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay, continue.
Yes, that's right. Remove it too.
And in this will be so. You don't trust the chirungu. And please exchange your phones, please. Family the net. And chirungu gather one more. Ooh! Thank you so much. Love you, Makhoti. $10.
Thank you so much. Oh,
thank you.
I love you too. I love you too.
Thank you so much.
Guys, and
Tasha will dropped $10. Thank you so much, Tasha. We love you so much.
You don't answer me, Makhoti. The way I treat you guys, do what I want.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Margaret.
Thank you so much.
I'm really sorry.
Shout out to Tasha Wood.
Shout out to Tasha World. Thank you for gifting us.
Okay, thank you so much, Tasha Wood. We really appreciate it. Guys, we're gonna Tasha Wood. You can do that.
Thank you. I love you too.
Thank you so much, Tasha. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
And I praise I entered Cape Town and brought in the wise and the court.
And the praise nakapinda kapa dombo pinza my wise nema na Makhoti. Dombo pinza my wise na Makhoti. Shout out to you. Tendriku. And
thank you so hey guys, let's thank Tasha. She did the most. Hi Joyka.
Nyasha, bye bye.
I just said
see you. He's talking shit. Bye bye. And Makhoti greet me na Josia.
Ndi Joyka kanot.
It's Joyka ya Munekai.
Yeah.
And hello guys, it's Mileshi. Wagwan Mileshi, yeah, I'm sure.
Guys, gift us, please. And not Makhoti dzokere nendege.
So guys, those who didn't know, it's not only TikTok. Guys, also, we are opening Nozima Lives of TikTok. You guys, you should please come and support us. You feel me?
I love you too.
Wow, 108 people in the chat. That's huge. Yo guys, you should come and support us, guys. Please, guys, you should come and support us. Cool TikTok as well. Please, guys. Please.
Hi, Sonia. Anzai, uncle, please.
Anzi Makhoti nzoka takusuwa. Anzoka kunota kusuwa.
We are sad.
Makhoti anzoka kunota kusuwa kuZimbabwe.
Guys, you want me to come back to Zimbabwe? It's too early. Hans isn't he just playing with Grace?
Anzi ameipa Praise wakazobatira wife material. Do wife material.
Mudze guys. Hazvizive mukomana.
Do wife material. Uyero. Do wife material. Eh? Guys.
Yes, I'm wife material.
Let's go.
Hands
goes in Empire ones. Imagine I don't block a green face. Ramai wako. Sorry guys.
Hasi shamwari yako.
Antabina and a shamwari, you know what? Yo. So sorry guys, this person is so disrespectful. I don't even know why. I don't like people who come here with positive energy, negative energy. This one. And Makhoti is very chilled person. I don't got dika again.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you.
I love you guys. We love you too. We love you too. We love you too. Makhoti.
Anzi, yes, come back.
Anzi, I praise Makhoti. We are pleased to see you guys. We are pleased to see you too, baby. Chichinja waona South Africa so far. Chakushamisa.
Chakawanda.
So far, chakushamisa. Don't talk about that guys. Ndakulikisa zvakati kuya pa vlog. Makhoti akaona inonzi chi. Makhoti akaona dori pa
Dori pachi.
Pa garage patakaita chibva kupika kuya botwa. Akaona dhumo so madhure muno ma automated. What?
Unyari. Chico.
It's okay.
Thank you. Great.
What chicha wanna so far chakushamisa.
We are no pingo.
Besides my roads, we understand what you were staying in Chitu.
Asi uti andisiye maduri.
Wakona juru fika rega rokamira wambere. Shanzi kushopa chakavharwa. Anzi kushopa chakavharwa. Ndikati ayi wakanongomira pamberi juru rakavhurika.
Praise anoyi.
Aisaziya ma automated do.
Ukuthi kusaba ukuthi uZimbabwe kuna ma bank anawo one ma automated.
Kubengu neti usina bank card. Kubengo ine usina card. And I know you got Makhoti. And you guys could mshada musina anzi.
And you guys on TikTok in like you're not
musinga gare atigaretese.
Atigaretese.
Atoshaya atovoto secret so. I think you saw she was in a room.
When is the vlog coming?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And she tried to open automated. Yes. Akashika so bad Jones kati kuchukuchu. Anzi open
Praise anonyepa guys.
Shangwari.
Aunyari.
Mira guys. Wait. Dakano mira ndingoligisa ka bit of thing that is coming tomorrow. I picked at the airport there. So she was complaining with Ryan Zara. And then the garage just same station needed just after airport.
And ngasotsungere kudari kuZimbabwe ariko.
Automated.
Kwakawanda.
Aida kuvhura automated door ara akatoti kachiri donza vanhu vangari mushopa akatoti asishopa china yakavharwa. I was like Makhoti.
Alright, kana ndanchiti yakavharwa saka ndaidonzereto.
Amen. Alright, chicha besides my roads chicha kushamisa so far. Besides we understand kuti waigara kuchitungisa kuna maroads munofamba nemunda kuchitungisa nene, but it's fine. Besides my roads chicha kushamisa so far. So and the praise watching you from Somerset wine estates and come and have wine with Makhoti. We're gonna come as long as Madaka Batana Shit will definitely come. Somerset West. Somerset West will do the Stellenbosch. Madaka Batana will definitely come. Chakutora baby for my wine testing. Kukuna to Somerset in the Stellenbosch. I will take you there. Which restaurant do you work at? This restaurant will definitely come. Anzi chanyepa praise sadari Makhoti eri kuchitungisa kwasi wakasiya mota. Anzi kwandiri zondokumba. Wakasiya mota keredi. Anzi praise unjani Makhoti right. Ya Makhoti right wena unjani. Mofu maita sei. Anzi kana ni first time ndakatombofunga kuti rakaro anzi ndakurobwa. I like you guys. Makhoti what else chakushamisa so far? Besides Dora ndakutaurira rangosingazivi. Okay, chicha kushamisa so far. Makhoti anga kumbira kubutswa mundege guys. Andomurombo Sara. And I want to pee. She was like, "Wakanzi, babe, I told you the toilet is at the back. You go straight, ne? You go straight. You don't ask for permission to pee." You just stand up and go straight to the.
What is our race?
And she did say, she very poor. And she took the name of roads. She took the name of roads. Yeah? Oh, put my phone on. It's my charger. That's crazy. To a cable. Makhoti, two those things so far. We want to hear. Me and the people want to hear.
So far, Pana.
What else, Shamis?
She says, I'm going to Zimbabwe.
For you? Yeah?
I punish and shams about
Tower. Eh? Beggar?
What I end on so.
All right. Guys, the woods is which I'm Shamisa Makhoti. Makhoti Ashamis.
Usanyepe.
Makhoti Ashamis.
And now Shamisko, but I was happy because it was my first time being there.
Yeah, she went to the beach. But the beach, I think Takwa was actually full of yeah, but the beach don't have Shams as well. So,
Hans, are you both guys are still in SA or just a visit?
Vlog. Okay, so guys, trip up on Makhoti, she's doing Sorake. But I'm Cape Town, Nadiga. Makhoti, she's a professional makeup artist. They dress a makeup and 4K. And Kim Richards, and Kim Richards. Konana Rain in Area Square. And a lot of superstars. And it's my installations, my bread. Vandeza Marora, but I need my bread or makeups.
Those who
and my wig. Yeah. I need to have my wigs, my installations. I'm not going to have to revamping. They come cleaner, everything about wigs and everything about beauty.
And then Dino Sota.
I know Santa is that. You know, I'm going to Twitter my house calls. Twitter my house calls. I know I'm going to come back when you cook. Ogusotai, it's your comfort zone.
But when Banguronica house coffee or.
Yeah, Panicanos house coffee. Kaka no badaro, piece of you.
So, Cape Town, Vaskana Vese, never come and not Vaskana way of my
Manawese, Chinoisa makeup in Gerald Disco. I will also help you to put insulation. Because I want you to go to my insulation and Mama guys, show them. I score a glue, eh? Yeah. And the praise did you look at yes. Shameful as I walked into the flu for you.
Guys, you know,
and how much of coffee you come to DM.
DM us for us coffee. No, the shim.
You DM
us. No, Mapanga vlogs are Macambona installation and really do it.
And you were already the therapist. Exactly, dear. You were not for more. Dear. Yes, she's the one.
And all the best.
She's the one.
Souls love you, but thank you so much.
We love you
some
too.
Embarrassing installations.
I know Makhoti say what's numbers. Say makeup to market your work.
Guys, I'm not a makeup person, and the footy you can see in skin yangu my sports say my pimples are one go buda. It's because there's a makeup. So I put makeup occasionally. Yeah, makeup footy I post kona praise pa.
Oh yeah, the makeup I post kwa my pictures and I post I better there. She's the one. Yeah, I think there's pictures Makata sama posted pa YouTube or on my Instagram pa last 2 posts. Pani my pictures ake empathy day. Do makeup I know she say I can say makeup you. And then makeup is really for my pictures ake apa this YouTube Makata my posted my pictures. You're gonna see a YouTube channel. Any makeup is really power. Anzonzo Anzi, please post the vlog Murku Beach tomorrow. Please, I like you praise. Nambo Konana Makhoti or Africa wood sky blue.
Copy.
Asking you definitely. Musada Africa wood and open.
You're Africa blue.
Africa, you want Africa? Or did not Africa sky blue? What about it out guys, thank you so much.
I crochet with
the vlog is coming tomorrow.
Praise Gospin the Wairo Serefita, Comana Tototi in the Cape Town.
But I also said that and they are Gospin your pack. Shout out to you. Guys, there's a vlog which is coming tomorrow. I think around 10. If I don't go back live on TikTok, it's around 10. Anzi, Hoyo, what's good? WhatsApp, Fib.
Guys, musakangano ikafuti gifta.
Guys, don't my gift, guys. Guys, when I guys sneaker life go karaba bako.
Makoti ane yake platform where you can get to know it. And you
can get to know it on the platform because you know what? If we have so many platforms, it's gonna be hard for us to give you guys content because content takakunetsa. Makota do post as well. So we just post everything on one platform.
Yes.
You see,
I'm not going to open any YouTube channel.
We have another channel. Don't forget it's time goes just. But imagine what's hard is if you open a channel, now we need to post on the monetized channel. You see, we can't waste content.
Okay, guys, inonzichi varikuda to those varuda kuita.
And I'm sure
to know me or zvezve business rangu. Add me ku Instagram or ku kunonzi pa vlog muchaona ri.
Get to know you as a business. Get out to go see more about
you. But
maybe we're gonna do the video next video and get to know my girlfriend. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna post a Q&A Instagram. We're gonna post it ku mchatasa pa this channel. You see the Instagram and stuff. And then you come praise Makara ndo Instagram yangu. Yake Karen Makwinje ndizo. Instagram yangu. Ichi Karen ichi.
Karen. Anzi. Koma kotane
Mira. And I'm sure that your praise gets me worried. Makhoti to Simba. Ajike yoti mkomana se utano.
Guys, izvezvo hachete zveserefita ndakamurambidza kuti nayo yotoita step of food here.
And in that send like TikTok, shout out to you.
Thank you.
And still posting fake videos. It's one's great.
My fake videos.
Happy. Bye bye. Go and get 3 videos. Happy. Mani uzakwa kutazobaya ucha disconnect live.
Ifoni yako.
Bye bye kanzi caring comes chichichi. You know.
Ubloga siri.
Siri. We kanzi caring comes.
No. Ubloga joke.
Okay. Bye bye. Caring comes. The user message will be hidden. Okay, geni mana mblock aenda ufuti. Geni mana mti report. Misinformation. Report. Oh, thank you. Okay, report. It's going no longer available. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go chat.
Anzi, thank you for being humble.
Anzi Makhoti daudu tambe na okay.
And I also want to be trained in makeup. Yeah, you can DM.
Wait, there are some comments that shit bana. Uri papio. Anzi, there are some comments bana. There are some comments. Okay. Anzi, ndatuka kuno. Tataba taitika. Anzi, okay. Anzi praise how Anzi praise. And I'm the one I got inbox like that music. Thank you for being humble. Alright, shout out to you. Shout out to you. Ango praise Makhoti look far right. We love you too.
We love you too, thank you.
We love you too. Praise and Karen, Wagwan. Praise you. Anzi do that this go with a makeup.
You can DM me my Instagram kwangu.
She's offering my lessons as well.
Instagram kwangu is Karen T. I think Karen T. But Karen yacho ine K full stop A full stop R full stop E full stop. Shingopera.
Guys, don't be gift, guys, please. Any gift, guys. Any gift. Any gift. Any gift.
Hansi, Mr. Praise and Mrs. Karen.
Any gift.
Guys. Chibomira kunditi Mrs. Karen Makara.
And them take away. Praise sure ngamiri. Wait.
Waiting for the vlog. Stay tuned.
And them take away praise ngamiri.
You money.
Nango Makhoti acho ari bone chiko chikisoma take away. Zvakaoma guys.
Anti ndiri visitor.
Zvakaoma. Nango ka visitor.
Guys, visitor anobikirwa kana kuti anotengerwa chikafu charinga chida. Kana iye azovisitor kwangu.
That's my favorite video Sunday boy. They are just haters, bro.
Uncle Praise Makara and Makhoti. Hi, Henry.
And shout out to Praise Uncle Makhoti.
Queen Tadi, don't forget to DM me to tell.
Do you still have flu kare? Ende wakutondizadza.
Nakuramba uchikutaura
Ndakutonzwa panapa. Ndakutonzwa wakadziwa.
I love you, President
Yes.
Karen. Love you too, Rova.
Anayo flu and
This year the door is only valid.
I am President Makhoti. Wagwan.
Yes,
Karen
Garo,
came my
the
move. Al Karen came my move for yase.
Will Makhoti come to SA?
I love you, sister.
Now we are guys.
I love you.
I came to visit you guys.
Shout out to you, Ruarashi Takashi.
Why don't you greet me too? I'm already your fan. Oh, sorry, Brenda.
And this year, Rora shit. You think so? You can't real my gifts here, Rora.
We want current vlog of the house tour. How you set up the apartment. We praise you. I just try house tour yake kana button.
Yeah. It's so actually manya mamire ne.
He's still,
you know what I mean?
Making the house look
When I don't flu.
Sorry.
Chibobuda kugara pansi. Chibobura muno.
No number kwedu.
Chiwe number kwenyu because flu undumvira tungundu just like covid.
Rora, please.
Rodents of quarantine.
Make me happy. We love you all. You're so cute.
Anzazadze mumwe flu ndatozadzwa.
You are not bored.
Arara mugare meso so cute. Thank you so much. Anza muna kufitana nani? I present Karen. Anzi nani? Anzi nani? Janmuni. I'm exchanging before the exchanging number to again the confidence to do it as a
Kunorowa munhu.
Kuno prono munhu. Kuzimbabwe kunozoda wana zvaonetwa.
Hanzi Makhoti is a quiet person. Mukuzoona president anotonditaurisa.
Are you a quiet person?
If you don't marry the house, Hanzi,
how to prevent cameras?
You have a comment in your show.
Anza kasarora anza outside anza ite makungorora chito muboki. Asimuzwisisa munhu. Okay. Anza how to prevent cameras. I love you guys. We love you too, Angelica.
Hanzi akasarora house aite mwa.
Akasarora house aite mwa.
Oh.
Iye Karen wachona murume make machina mustori mwa.
Guys, musanyepera.
Anza rowa tsaone praise. Anza rowa tsaone praise. Ndeta se.
Couples.
Aiwa kuno kune pfuti kunounda mamoni. Kuno kune pfuti guys.
Pfuti nemapanga.
Tumbo musenze magifts.
Guys, my gifts, please. Gift us, please.
Makhoti.
Artist kuda. Alright, it's okay again. Gift us, please. Gift Makhoti, your favorite Makhoti, your one and only Makhoti.
Who told you are one and only?
What do you mean?
What if you are three and only?
How can I meet you, please? I want to prevent. I want to tell a comment in your show.
I'm the. How can I meet you? I want to prevent you cameras. I want to provide you cameras. I don't prevent you cameras.
Don't praise.
How can I meet you? How can I meet you? I want to prevent you cameras. I will not understanding. Please read that comment.
Mr. Makara, what is this? When
Makhoti, you sabi praise and break it because I know this is
people
is good.
Guys, inanga nyarare, but it's okay.
I was talking about this good. People. I saw Mr. Makara will say, I should carry Makhoti kiki. Makhoti had only 3 months.
And I'm glad you read young comment. I love you too, Miriam. Thank you. Don't be shy.
Shout out to you.
I'll give you $20.
I love you guys.
Gift me Granite Masters. Anzi kisa naye?
Yeah. Angizane kani $20. Kanta first.
Guys, I need going in. Praise I don't need room.
And I want to provide you cameras. Oh, shout out to you.
How is
Where are you?
findings?
Baby.
Iwe, how is currently?
And I was carrying friend in South Africa. I'm not allowed to provide my cameras. Where are you?
South Africa is good.
Brandon, where are you?
Brandon, where are you? Where are you?
You want to provide us cameras.
cameras.
Where is he?
How much praise for
and praise say who one day Kogo Azu Ugumbo celebrated Ukono. Kamera by window.
Arikutsva uyu.
Kamera by window. So ndikupa mbepo.
Naimi munhu kuri kudonha ipapapa. There's him King Ginger so far. Soon you are going to be like Mr. Disco plus Makhoti kitchen.
Oh you.
Thank you. How long have you been waiting for Makhoti?
And how long have I got Makhoti in Kapa? 4 months now.
Oh, but 3 or 4 one was there. You are kind of in South Africa. What in the 4 months? Guys,
please tell us.
Done about some weeks in Cape Town. Irora isamvura ino wadi kuchisa mfriji nayo.
Ndiya kwelo guys.
Shakaoma.
My gifts guys.
Guys, Mati nonzichi. Mati my gifts. Anzi titangeteta sei.
Anenda kisa.
Tangwa gift or not at kisanina.
Imvura yanga muwa. Who gave you my one?
May your relationship be blessed and work out for you guys till marriage. Tukudama roro nemchatu. Lots of love to you guys. Thank you so much, Warashe. We really appreciate and we receive.
Praise. How are you?
Emi kuna ukuru peace and that
kuna we 40 something degrees today, tomorrow, not tomorrow, tomorrow.
Yo kuti na tomorrow uri uhere.
Andaverenga pachipa kugwe. Oh, mamona makutoinyuka. Mamona baby, you can check with the focus mangwana kutekamira sei.
Iwe unozoti ma weather anochinja.
Aichinje. But takataura rain tomorrow is to be raining. Ask chat. So we check weather kuno. That's how we work. We are saying in Zimbabwe.
Saka ukuthi chi weather ku Zimbabwe check weather.
Zimbabwe to check up but inochinja chinja.
Guys, uya kutoita nge ane ganda re white. Anokanga noti akabva Zimbabwe.
Ndibve ku Zimbabwe.
Don't block us with mistakes. Okay, sorry.
Ndibve ku Zimbabwe.
And
with 36 degrees mangwana. Still hot though. 36 is still hot. Mukapa. 36 Mukapa. It's still hot though. Please guys, send us gifts guys. Please guys, if you don't send us gifts, kuskapa 9:40 we ending the live time.
You are so soft and humble, Karen. Thank you.
You're very soft and humble.
Yes, I am. I will man you
Guys, please, can you please help us?
Now praise it's predicted. You know change away there. I'm telling you, ndakadzidzoji you.
And Mukapa and the moment here. 36.
Hey, I'm in the middle.
And kuno Joburg kurukutonora kuside kwa ndiri kupino nomova binona.
Iwe chibuku chakadzidza kaishi.
Chine besuo nebe kukutura.
Ndashoti ndadai.
Chine bekusheta.
But ndikuona ndikuona.
Chine bekusheta. Ungazvizwisisa.
Much love to you, Karen, and praise from your fan Munya in Botswana. Thank you, Munyarazi. Where am I going to go?
I'm going to go. I shall speak.
I am going.
So I shall speak. Inazuma break Philippine. You know going. Yeah,
I did PE.
Champidi gole break Philippine.
Naita PE.
Champidi gole break Philippine to the here. Iyo nguruwe.
Guys, the flu is killing me.
Guys, please send us gifts, guys, please. We left you 2 minutes.
Please. W Makhoti have a cool down so. Huh?
And W Makhoti nekamka cool down so nekamka that ndika Makhoti must remember.
Thank you, Rumbi. Thank you, love you guys. Oh, so tenga receipt.
I'm not interested. I'm praise your potential to become international. Shout out. Wait.
Or Airtel.
I'm not interested.
You humble person. What?
I'm going to humble person mutupo chima Makhoti.
Mutupo chi? It did my move.
Without any fear of contradiction.
Praise, you have a choice. I wish you good luck, guys. No, I'm not choice.
Yeah, that's why it's done on you. I need the life you told. And I choose that's why it's done on you. Oh.
Guys, gift us.
Both down Storytime.
Like
Zubara
I'm praising the Storytime is okay, guys.
Oh, for you to read comments.
Okay, guys.
To read comments.
Tell me Shamuda kudzwa pa story time. Hanzi ndibate moshe, please. Hanzi tikuda vlog, guys.
Vlog after my gifts
tomorrow. Can you guys gift us,
vlog
please,
after my
guys?
gifts. Also that praise and that will upload.
Hanzi, who was the first one to say I love you to one another? It's obvious.
It's Karim.
Praise.
It's Karim.
Yeah.
It's Karim.
Hanzi, my mom for my gifts tones and when the wapera is also fish. Okay, guys, but Vanayo, you can gift us, please. Hanzi, oh, we told you last month. Alright. Story time. How do you drop your job in Zim? It's another story time for a vlog. I'm also on my vlog, gacho. And what's your totem, guys? Don't zimai move. And you not totem. Hands one on the machi.
My brother.
Hands my machi.
Oh, that's not what you do.
Wait, my brand, I don't know. And are you still in essay? Yes, I'm still in essay. I will answer. I will gift kana my kiss and a baby. And my baby. Okay, guys. Pani atan orejanda pindur. Taure nyaya mdoti ndikudze. Story time ya mdoti ndikudze. Karen and praise, much love from me. Where could start beggar shop gardens ndikupe magunanzi. Wanzwa baby.
Anzi MG?
Could start beggar shop.
Iri kupi?
Ku gardens.
Gardens? Muza anzi aishi muze muza isa namba zake.
Anzi say number.
Tuwi. Namba za muze. Muza alibali namba zake.
Anzi saka amtongombe.
Muza alibali namba.
You can contact Praise to give us directions to it. So are you going back to Zim? Yes, I'll go. Story time. How you let your granny know that you are visiting your boyfriend in Cape Town. Guys, I didn't visit my boyfriend. Okay, I was visiting my boyfriend, right? But then I'm staying somewhere. It wasn't easy. Oh, man, I can't run the shit. Guys, Pavlog Papoka, like, she's not smunuked, but and the story time, the day you realized Praise liked you, how did you react? Hey, guys! The hands are my findy fool.
Tell us.
Guys, the day I realized Kuti Praise likes me. In fact, loves me.
I don't love you.
Sorry guys, the reason why ndokutarisa pasi phone iri kushanda pa iri kutranslate saka kushandisa imwe phone kuverenga macomments. Isu tikungonakirwa nekukutarisai. Why did you guys stop hustling in Zim and went to SA? You know Zimbabwe, guys. Ha. Zimbabwe. 1, working conditions. 2, pamwe zvakuda kuita zvakawandirwa nevanhu vese, everyone is doing the same thing, so kungorelocata, then you go to a place yakuzoti zviri nani, hakuna competition yakawanda and ma-working conditions wari nani. Yeah.
How was this man?
142.
Okay, what was the story time at you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's when you let that place last week.
No, so did you?
I mean, the poker time was good. How did you start realizing what was the office of Wishes?
Alright. Can Uncle Praise do couples exchanging funds in SA? He's still looking for safe places to do couples because no raw. How's SA? SA is fine. Hanzi so ndiana nehasha pamuri. Kufunga kwenyu ane hasha ndiani. But I don't think kuti pane ane hasha ini. Ini zvamunongotaura kuti ndiri ndo zvanditongori. Like vanhu vanotongonditi ndo zvauri. Then Praise anotaurisa but ana hasha. Kana kuti handisandadziona, I don't know. Hi Makhoti, how are you? How's SA? Makhoti, SA is fine. Hanzi expagorate Makhoti. Andichazive manje kuti istori ipi yamukuti expagorate. Then Storytime, did your parents know kuti you are dating him and did you meet your boyfriend's parents? Yes, my parents know. Yeah, vanandogara navo vanozviziva kuti I did Praise. Ndakavaintroduce and Praise's parents know me, but those people, they just know kuti kuna Karen, kuna Praise, but hatisati anyatsoenda kunoona maparents edu. Praise uripi? Praise araro, guys. Hanzi ndine hope. What type of content Praise will be doing in SA? I think content yangu garachiita. Then ye couples, I think achaita, sezvandotaura achaita kana aona a safe place to do it. Makhoti dai can. Hi kudzai. I don't remember what wabvunza kuti chii. Just wish you find a good paying job. Orega kudzokera Zim just to be close na move my brother. I wish that's true. Guys, support me per business randataura so that I won't go back to Zimbabwe. Praise akakutengerei pabirthday rake. We are going to show you soon, but as usual pavlog grip. Did you mingle up with the close circle? Not yet. Maybe on weekend. This what happened? Huh? Because of time. I said I want time. Story time. The day you will never forget in high school. Hey guys. Hey. Sorry guys. Fluga Mawan. Anzi. Story time, the day I'll never forget in high school. Guys, the day I will never forget in high school, the Pekut team, I was a prefect, right? Form 4, Nandrum prefect. I'm not there, Pachkopedu headmaster, Vedu, Vairova, Vaichkiwa, and Nandrum Wekutim. That's what and the school Zombo, Panunda Roa, Kanakumwa headmaster. Guess what? The last day, kubva pachikoro ndichiti ndapedza kunyora mangwana ndikunomba kwedu pandarohwa naheadmaster and I won't forget that day. You Makhoti, you seem to be very cool. I guess ukatsamwa zvipere mushe uri munhu wekuti unogona kuchema nehasha. Ini ndakatsamwa ndonyarara kana kuchema. Yeah, handigoni like handitogoni popota nemudivi ndonyarara kana kuchema saka yeah. maimofu so makuno for good here dai ndaiva nemasimba ndaingovhara bhodha Makhoti otadza kubuda kudai guys. Guys, I'm not yet sure kuti ndiri kunoku here for good or I'm going back. Zvakandifambira musha I won't go back, zvakasafamba musha I'll go back home. Makhoti unofanira kutoya nemwana ikoko, unofanira kutoshandweko. Guys, kana praise arora business ripi. Like I said, ndoita makeup and installations, so vanoda kuti pa makeup and installations you can hit DM ra praise or ku Instagram kwangu. Then yeah, let's support FM. Why do you mean you lost your job? I didn't lost my job, I left. Ndakasiya andina kusiyiswa. Wakatosiya basa iri kuzimu ndakasiya. Saka atorara praise. Mufunge zvenyu praise mukoma wangu, itai zvinoita kuti Makhoti agarire kuno asasudzokere zimu please. Chatova chikumbiro. Pandiri kuverenga ari kunzwa but akarara. Idya ginger, will be fine. Hey, I tried everything but I think inoda kutongopera yega yo flu yacho. Hanzi I'm perfect. I'm perfect vakarohwa guys. Last day wakadzidza pa high school ipi? Mutoko high school. Tatiri kwa Mutoko. Any relationship advice? My relationship advice, all I can say is wanai vanhu vanokudai ende ziva munhu wako, like ziva kuti munhu ari like ari genuine pakundida here, and love yayenyu should be unconditional love, not kuti love yokuti ini ndikumudira kuti uyu ane mari, uyu ndomudira kuti akanaka, cause alright akapiswa nemafuta zvinoreva kuti hauchamudeka, akapiswa fesi nemafuta, akasaita mari zvikureva kuti hauchamudeka. Saka just love munhu unoona kuti anokuda, mese munodanana. And what else can I say? Yeah, that's all. Hopefully you and Makhoti, you are now consistent with content creation. Yeah, we are trying guys, we are trying. Which school did you go to? I went to Mutoko High School for my O level. Then A level I was at Alexander Institute. How did you lose your job? Guys, I didn't lose my job. Ndakasiya ndega. I didn't lose. Ndakasiya ndega. Basa kweli. Why did you leave? Sezvandataura kuti kuZimbabwe, my working conditions and all. Karen, can you tell P kuti pese paanoita mavlogs every time he puts a song tokumbirawo kuti anobva anyora name of the song pa screen, because we love the music he uses but we don't know the names. I will let you know guys, but chinozonetsa vamwe vanhu vanoitawo futi mavlogs vanozoshandisa music idzodzo ozopedzisira asisina music yacho yekushandisa. How is Cape Town so far? Cape Town is good but kuri kupisa guys. Anzi modika guys, praise muka, praise hanzi muka. Atofawo nehope asitombonzwa. We heard you saying he is looking for a safe place to do exchange in phones. I think he should come back home soon because SA is kukona. Yeah, but guys, do you know kuti ku SA there's more, kune zvakawanda zvekuitisa content than kuZim, because couples exchanging chete, just couples exchanging vamwe vanhu vanopedzisira vanoita nazvo, vamwe handi vanozopedzisira kuti hanzi hey it's fake vasaone, saka maviews anenge akuita mashoma. So instead of kungoita couples exchanging, you have to do more vlogs or mango are different. Please like, guys. I agree with you, bro. I was at Mutoko as well. Really, which year were you? Pamwe streamers, but do you believe in 50-50? What do you mean 50-50? 50-50 relationship here. Praise Amana Mukak. Tinofana kuona muri mesi na Makhoti. Guys, Praise is tired. Musiarari. Praise Mukati Fadai. Praise Anzi Mukati Fadai again. Guys, Mazoti nema gifts. Please gift us. Please gift us. Please. 2021, 22. Sorry. I left Mtoko High School in 2021. Saga Pawai year. Maybe. Alright. I don't know kana why this year. Year ukawia 2021, but 2022 nazisipo. Can't wait for the day you are going to mingle up with the circle. They are so loving. I can't wait to, yes, in a relationship like 50-50 when it comes to all bills and stuff. I think it depends. It depends. Like, alright, maybe, I don't know Tindutichi, but 50-50 is not really bad, but yeah, it's not really bad, but mukomana anfana ngoratidza ukuthi ndine mukomana ndine murume, and you know, but 50-50 is not bad. You just have to understand munhu wako kuti anowana kusvika papi, anowana kusvika papi. Maybe sometimes ndowafosa munhu kuti ndoda kuenda kumikuzotewo, handei kumikuzotewo, munhu akuudza ndina mari. You just have to do 50-50 because you uda kuenda, uda kuti muende mese, muno create memories mese, but munhu wako hana mari. Saka guys, hanzi takachoboka. It's okay murungu, it's okay. Hanzi Praise ngachinje profile aise muri mese. Achaisa hake. I don't mind because it's his channel. He worked for it. Nisandatombopo, and I can't just say chibwato chinja shamwari because tribute my vlog stays no kana iye akuda. I was in Form 1. I doubt kana went to 0. Me, I gift Nas, I am broke. Oh, it's okay, there's always a next time. You should first meet Kim and Lloyd on Gang Film. I will definitely meet them. Ana mofu avaite 50-50 murume chaye adaro, but if ane mari shoma, it's okay. Yeah, it's true. I love the fact that no pressure. Thank you, Joyka. So guys, ask Rimwe, story time, another story time. Hands on pressure. Guys, life like inangwa, I'm still young, but ndiri yangu kudaro. I think I know better than vanhu vatomachuwa vatokura, and I think I can't say I know better, but I think I'm matured to darika vamwe vanhu kuti saka zvimwe zvinhu you just learn through mukurarama. Aufane kungoita pressure ina zvainopa. What did you eat for dinner? We ate sadza and nyama. Tadya sadza nebrai meat. Which country are you? Right now I'm in Cape Town. Are you firstborn? Yes, guys, I'm a firstborn, a deputy parent. So How was your journey from Zim to Kapa? You see on the vlog, guys. I think you watched my journey from Zim to Joburg. So you see the journey from Joburg to Cape Town per vlog. Muri vangani mumba menyu Makhoti? Tiri three of us, and I'm the deputy parent. Yep, munhu ita zvinoenderana neni. Yeah, sure. Unogutsikana nezviripo, that's the spirit. Yeah. Cause uka expecta zvinhu zviri monga ndopa unoita pressure uzopedzisira kuita zvinhu zvisiri. Who are you staying with solely in Cape Town? Just praise or relatives consider you wanna move to Cape Town? I'm not staying with praise, guys. I'm staying with one of my relatives. But I just visit praise. Like ndongoswera praise because I don't know Cape Town yet, and namunhu wandoziva omwe kunze kwehama dzangu idzodzo napraise, of which praise ndiye munhu anokwanisa kundiratidza Cape Town. Are you now cooking in your apartment? Which apartment? In Praise's apartment. I still sorting out zvinhu zvake zvema apartment zviite musha. Be honest in your opinion. Do you think size matters or no? I don't know, guys. Size echi, boys or girls? Boys or girls? You mean my siblings? Okay, my siblings. Pane one second born mukomana, third born girl. Can't wait for cooking vlogs when you are cooking for Mof. Zvima cooking vlogs is kana Mof. Vaita se varora. May God bless you all so much. Thank you, Leroy. Thank you so much. Pakuda mwana apa my praise. Mofunga varore first. I also learned at MHS, but was Mr. Kadzima your head? He passed away. Yes, he was my head. No, I can't do No, I can't do last day, Mr. Kadzima. Which stream were you in? Nai my mofa, mna little sister here. I have a little sister, but imim nondi time calm. Sister yangu, my way. Praise Pacheshaki. Ulezi muri say haiti no. So tonight you mean ukuenda kuma relatives ako here? Oh, yes, I'm going back. Kungoti kunonoka kudoka. Saka I'm going home. Ndishingopedza live inoyi. Praise takatonomutsa kuti andiperekedze kumba. True, ndinenge ndiripo kuroora squad. You are invited, you'll be there. Sure, Mofunga Rore, how are you, sis? I'm okay, how are you? Anzo nondiitira. Tazonzwa vamwe venyu vachiti havadi zvekuita vana kuma podcast uko. Zviriko here naigulesi. Handisiya. Zvinodependa nekuti handisive. But why would someone suggest kuti ade mwana? Iwe Mwari vakatisika kuti tive vakadzi vachazoitira vamwe vavo vana. Wakarohwa waitei? Guys, musikanzwe kuhigh school here. Haiperi. Ndakatorohwerwa hangu umwe munhuwo zvake. But nyaya yekuti uri muprefect unoifira. Kuti iwe ungoripo sei uchitadza kutiudza. So are you sleeping in Praise apartment today? No, guys, I'm going back home. Praise wake up, Praise atoyenda. It's like 10 p.m. there and there is still sunlight. No, I don't mean kuti kuchitori ne sunlight. Like kunoku kunotanga kudoka zvekuma8 na7 kunenge kwakachena kunge dziri kuma5. Saka I'm going back soon, guys. Don't worry, I'm going back soon. Perfect match for praise. Thank you, Joyco. Jena singade mwana ye naizhenimi. Are you going to? When are you going to move in, please? Praise kana Aurora. Truly speaking, maskana ekuzimu vakubatira zvinhu padenga. What do you mean, Samson? Mai moferenga izita rangu ndingafare mai Makara. Tinashe makovere. Hi, my praise. Guys, why are you saying my praise? Guys, you know my name one. And Skuramba is my praise, but you know, praise akurotari kuas window. Like what gated community. Yanga yani saka gated community. Usaende chingorara Makhoti. Guys, no wakumba ngoripi wararepi. Ndoti ndararepi. Yes, they know to kuna praise avo, but shout out Manasa Nyatanga, how are you? Guys, ndakanganwa ka Vaseline kangu mota mapraise. I can't put anything because my lips are also crack. Where is your parents, Makhoti? My parents are in Zim. Kwaje Dipuri. Aiwa, ndorowa zvako. Hanzi, wanzi ungori kopi? Nandiri kwa Dipuri. Vanongoti zvakaoma. Price range for your nails. Okay, I got my nails done at Nailed by Sam. To those who are in Zimbabwe, go and check my Instagram page, Nailed by Sam. She's very good, very, very good. First time eating porridge. Arekupi praise. Praise is sleeping. Nasi chimbonai Makhoti. Have you moved to SA permanently? Tell Praise that I want to push my channel for me. You can DM him. You can DM Praise. To those who are going to status my phone, because phone is good translator my words. So those are very serious. Whatever rides and as mangwana mwe futi pa life. Guys, okay, thank you. Guys, ku TikTok come we also gift or even here on YouTube. Please gift us. Next, I'm exchanging phones for 60 seconds tomorrow. My mofundi munenge more than camera. Ndite bodyguard wenyu. Munorova here bodyguard. Munozobata mafiles here kana kuti protector because hey, essay. I'm younger than you think. How old are you, Manasa? But kungorara bo cause kwatodoka kare. Guys, musandifurire. Kana ndakuzokudze kuti ndakarohwa munozondimirira apa. Story time, the most embarrassing moment in your life. Embarrassing moment. I'm trying to think. Embarrassing moment. I don't know. Let me think in Chimboverenga. Less than 13. Oh, really? And you support us. Thank you, Manas. My wish is for you to find a job. I love seeing you with him. Guys, kana mune hama shamwari dzamunoziva dzinoitwa makeup, installation, even vakuda classes for makeup, guys, you can DM me. You can DM. totaura hanzi unenge wawega naizvenyimi ndakurohwa ndendari ndega ndisisina mimi vari kundifurira ndendisisina imimi vari kundifurira. We are happy to see you here in Cape Town. Thank you so much. I hope I will enjoy like zvandiku expecta sandadzokera kana kuti ndikawana inini guys. Alright, let me tell you something. Kune vari kunditi ukawana basa, yes, I want a job, but job randikuda I want to start on my own. I want to do my own thing. Zvekushandira vanhu izvi, I'm tired. I want to be my own boss, you know. I want to be my own boss, doing my own thing. Like, I'm dreaming big. I hope God will bless me. Yeah. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live? Yeah. My big dreams is kunana mari countries ataimbotaura kuti toda izvezvi kune hondo hatichamadi. I think ndoti chiko kunana Bali, kunana nonzishi kunana zita racho rinotanga na Maldives. Hameno kuti kunogara vanhu here, but no maplaces andodawo. And even Cape Town. Cape Town is nice. Hanzi entrepreneur, true, be your own boss. Yeah, guys. Hi, certified favorite auntie. That's the right mindset, girl. Keep pushing and it's going to be possible. Thank you, Junior. Vachauya zimira one. Auntie, zvehondo zvanenza izvi. Your nails are nice. Thank you, Wendy. Maldives are there. I don't know. Ndangotaura when. I don't know. Nachotaura kuti I'm not sure kuti kune dzimba here kana kuti my places for vacations only. Hey guys, mavhu ekubeach panosvika kumanditogesa. Oh, you mean Varikon? Oh, okay. So those are my dream places to live. Oh, sorry, ndandaverenga comment yako apa pakanyorwa nechirungu hanzi Maldives are there, bvavaisa question mark saka. But Uncle Praise is asleep. Uncle Praise, give her up. Wakanaka zvako Makhoti wangu indonodika. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manga Nima. Alright, Margaret. Hi, agreement. How are you? So what time do you get home? I stay nearby, guys. Maybe that's why I'm going to meet Masaramusai. So and it was a coincidence, you know. I was like, yes, I'm staying near my man, you know. Hi, what's your thoughts on polygamy? Guys, you know, polygamy and but I don't know. I don't have any thoughts because Andishifari. Hi dear, I have my wives. Right, let me read better. Hi dear, ndine my wives andikuda kuti undigadzirirewo ndinogara mudhuze nepakugara. Please, if you are free, contact me ku Instagram current na K full stop kusvika kuna T kwachongesa ma full stop. Can you DM me right now titaurani? I'm free, very free. Your teeth are so white. What do you use? only brush with Colgate and use mouthwash. Yes, Makhoti, nice to meet you. Aitinashe wakatovaona here ana Kim and Tanaka. Kim and Tanaka ndakaona one tiri kuzimu. Ndakatangira vaonera kuzimu. Guys, ndakambokudza story time of what happened. Dera ndakaona Kim and Tanaka. Yeah, current yanyorwa naJunior apa. Dera ndakaona na Kim and Tanaka. Praise wanted to say praise. I think akazitaura pavlog, but okay, ngotaura wangu. Praise wanted to say praise me, imagine. I don't say praise Odaro. Guess what? Kim and Tanaka, they came to my workplace. Nanara in Anisida kuswa makeup day rachu. They came to my workplace. And then he say, hey, I want you to go and meet some people. Yeah, what? Ndakatoona vanhu kare, ndakatomunza kuti wangu ndavaona kare. Ndakafara that day. Like, I didn't know how to react. And like, I was just calm, but moyo mangu ndaizviudza kuti I'm excited. Another story time. Ask me, guys. Another story time. You can ask. Guys, pazoshaya uda kutipo imwe gift isati adzokera kumba. Lauda kuti ndichidzokera kumba. 10:30, I'm ending the live. 10:30, I'm ending the live. Can you just... I need to go home. Ndinozorohwa. Hi, Stella Sibanda. Plus, what I'm not gift. So I'm doing it. How was the journey from Zim? Can you go and watch vlog? Alright, maybe you're just asking in general. It was okay, but exhausting. Very exhausting. Abandoned flu. It was something else. Are you going back to Zim, sweetie? I might or I might not. If you had to choose between being loved or feared, which would it be? Munanudire kuchikirwa. I would choose to be loved. Why feared? I don't like to be feared. Once I can't see you on Instagram, let me show you my page. How old are you, Makhoti? Makhoti is hey guys, I can't tell you makorango, but just know kuti ndokumatwendi. Oh, so alright, this is my account. So ndakudza account TikTok. So K full stop A full stop then rain full stop then T full stop. I don't know if can on. What's your Instagram name? Maybe I can DM you. life yangu manje mamashu. Ndinoda kuverenga ma-comments. Why is praise? Sorry for bothering. Maybe you were asked to leave. Praise akarara guys. Ndindega here or something. Ndikuona kunge Makhoti. You are now more confident per camera. Will I be right if I say however Zim you were not very sure about how serious your relationship was? Guys, I was very sure of how serious my relationship was, but izvezvi ndakuta ndichiita confident because ndakuta ndichijaira. Praise arundidzidzisa. Pana ndiri kuZim I was very shy. Nanhasi ndichine ka-shyness and ndandine ka-fear like yekuti vanhu pa-social media like you know zvinoitwa vanhu kuma-TikTok and all. Which side are you staying in Cape Town? Andikakudze praise pamwe asi kuda kuti muzive guys. I can't expose. Just know that you are in Cape Town. Go tomorrow morning. Hey guys, vanhu also nenomba kwedu man. Kwasara 10 minutes. We say stop going back, Mrs. Moff. If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what would you ask? Guys, zvaita imwe phone yangu apa mamwe maquestions handikwanzwisisa nefoni because inonzi alright, if you could know the absolute truth to one question, what would you ask? I don't know what to say. Makhoti wava mu-Cape Town here, welcome. Thank you, Tanya. Ko Praise aripi guys. Praise is sleeping. And yet, angambori live ku TikTok, kubva mbondijoina panapa, so he's tired. Tanonoka kusvika. Guys, where were you? Mukomana weku Aspindo aramba umuka. He's gone. Nchamutsa manje. It's great to hear that. Usaenda kani. Guys, I need to go home. Bye Karen, thanks for interaction. Thank you Junior, bye. Tirive ma-comments to comment here. Vanhu, you comment. I was not confident. You comment. Vanhu vanopa my opinions. It's not bad kutaura zvona, but pane vamwe vanozokanganisa vamwe guys. Vanozoita kuti munhu ave unofeel unge I don't know what to say, but you know what I'm saying. How did you want to be a makeup artist when you were in high school? If not, what were your future plans when you were in high school? Guys, it's obvious. Ku primary school, I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to be a pilot, cannot air hostess. When I go high school, alright, according to my high school, my O level, ndaita ma-commercials, right? In fact, ndaita ma-commercialized arts, like ma-commercial subjects, AC, nema art subjects, AC. So, ndandiri munhu aifarira business studies, economics, like almost my subjects, but my subjects are not accounts, maths, but accounts dziri nani pane maths. So when I went to A level, pachikuru ndikabva ndaendeswa pa-private school. You know, ma-private school aya anenge achangotanga, vanenge vasina ma-teachers are enough. So pama-commercials, they only had teacher we-maths, we-business studies, we-economics. So you know, kwa school you have to do 3 subjects. So per 3 subjects I had to choose kuti ndoda kuita maths ndandisina. Guys, maths is so far guys. Maths ndandisina. Then ndandine ndandine economics ne-business studies, ndandisina futhi accounts. It was not my problem, it was my teacher's problem, because we never had a teacher patika screen form 3 tikazodzidza accounts kubva first topic form 4 takunonyora, imagine. So ndakatopasa because I expected a U, but ndandine D. Kwandiri, I'm proud of that D because I worked hard. So ndaida kuita economics, business studies, kuma schools, even geography, you can do geography nema subjects here. So nonzichi guys, so I wanted to do something with business, because economics consists of another business studies nature. Like, I was very good at those subjects, and then ndanoita ma-arts because papa's no option, ndandanongotsvaga nzvimbo. Then ndaita ma-arts, unoziva guys, kana ungongori ndakabva ndatolose zahope yekutoti ndakabva ndatozviudza kuti unonzi chii, ndabva ndatozviudza kuti handichazivi at this point, handichazivi kuti ndoda kunyatsoita, because ndikati ndoda kuita lawyer, handichinyepa. Ndikati ndoda kuzoita social work, handizivi, ndichinyepa. Saka ndanda kungodzidza, just kungodzidza kuti ndipase. Then I found one of my favorite subjects, and ndikaita engari sociology. Ndakadota socialization, sociology ndo yandikabva ndaita. Florence, what's your Instagram account? Are you comfortable to write per comment section to follow titaure? So ndakabva ndaluza hope. Then I ended up ndakapasa A-level. I don't know kavamwenyu kana muri kuti kupasa, but ndine 10 points. Then ndabva ndangozoti kuuniversity ndichaenderei kana ndisiri kuziva kuti ndoda unoitei, because hazvisi zviro zvandaida. That's when I looked for a job and started makeup. I didn't know that I was gonna do makeup because I wasn't interested in beauty zvekutoti ndiri kamwana ndezvipoda nekudidi, no. So I ended up doing a course for makeup. Ndakatanga ndaenda kuchikoro. Pandakatoita course ndatopedza. Then I applied for a job. That was my first job application. Ndakatoona ndato-accept kwa basa. Ndakatoona zvandato makeup artist cheche. Guys, like izvezvi I enjoy doing makeup. I enjoy kuwedzera kunakisa vamwe vanhu. Like uchinyatsoita makeup so unoziva hey, is this my work or you know. Saka that's what happened. I think I answered your question. Junior Goredema, wakabuda nemangani pa form 4. Ndakabuda ne 7 subjects per 10. Good night Makhoti. Good night Angel and Busisani. Angel. Good night. Let's wait for another day, another dollar. Yeah, stay tuned. Panenge pakunyepa timutsire praise uku. Hauna kubuda ne2 here wekuolewa. Guys, ndaisagona hangu, but ndansiri dofo zvekutodaro. It's Florence K. Okay, Florence, let me. Are you related to Innocent or Hope? I was kunetsa praise because unebasa. Basari. Makhoti, please sleep over time zapera. Kuna kwaunoenda this time. Guys. 2 minutes left. How old is Pure? Guys, praise anokunze yega. Praise, can you wake up and pereke zomba kwedu? Hanzi nevanhu yaungoita bye. I'm about to end the live. I'm just looking for something, guys. Sorry. Orange. Eish. Okay, Florence, can you go pa Instagram pa praise? Wongo type out Karen pa my followers again. Then I think you can see me. Panika muskana kani makeup so ni wiki blonde. Cause you said you are Florence K, but Spamdana Florence around. Guys, I'm about to end the live. Good night, guys. I'm going back. Once no one is sitting. Guys, I need to leave the town Florence. Shifan Ondita, goodbye. Though you didn't gift us, thanks to one of our gifters, Tasha. Thank you so much. Florence, I'm waiting for your comment, then I bounce. Praise. Praise it hour, guys. It now. Hi. Sorry guys. Shantama phone one. We have to attend the capital net to wole for you. Ndakuti ndaenda isagona but ndasirido for zvekutodaro. Ambona prefect anobuda ne 2 Sorry, it's not necessary. Okay. So guys, vanga vaka ndimirira kuti ndiende. I'm bouncing now. Hey, I hope you didn't send to the wrong Karen. Because I haven't seen your message yet. Okay, let me check. Star, how are you, Star? Oh, okay. Kupage kwa Makara. Alright, it's okay. Kule is making views mawana. Star. Mopinda mu click musem new skin. Huh? I hope. Okay, good night guys. Good night. Zambians. Oh, thank you Chola. I nothing personal, so nangandishi joker. I know I'm going to out dinner. Anyways guys, bye. I need to go home now. Bye. See you tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow, then we talk. And